Welcome to part 3 of CUCET MA English Entrance Exam. Question number 81. Who among the following writers is associated with magic realism? The correct answer is option number A. Garcia Marquez. It is often said that the work of Colombian novelist and short story writer Gabriel Garcia Marquez are a great example of magic realism. Next question is related to Holden Caulfield, which is a famous protagonist. Holden Caulfield is the protagonist of which novel? The correct answer is option number C, Catcher in the Rye. हॉलैंड मॉरिसी कॉफिल्ड, जो इनका पूरा नाम था, एक फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर हैं इन दी नॉवल कैचर इन दी रे, जो कि लिखा गया था J.D. सेलिंगर के द्वारा एंड इट वाज रिटन इन द ईयर 1951. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अवार्ड से रिलेटेड है, नोबेल प्राइज से. अवार्ड्स आपके सिलेबस के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो अच्छे से कवर करिएगा सभी अवार्ड्स को, स्पेसिफिकली रीसेंट नोबेल प्राइज को. Who among the following has won the Nobel Prize for Literature? The correct answer out of the given option is Nadine Gordimer. Nadine Gordimer was a South African writer, political activist and recipient of 1991. ईयर भी याद रख लीजिएगा, 1991. 1991 में इन्होंने नोबेल प्राइज जीता था लिटरेचर के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मार्गरेट एटवुड्स द हैंडमेड्स टेल इज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ text? The correct answer is option number A, dystopian novel. The Handmaid's Tale is a dystopian novel by Canadian author Margaret Atwood. Next question is related to the ban of certain text. Which of the following books has not been banned by the गवर्नमेंट? तो एक एक करके इन सबको कवर करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी विल रीच टू द कंक्लूजन. लेडी चैटरलेज लवर, जो कि एक D.H. लॉरेंस का लिखा हुआ नॉवल है, इट वॉज बैन फॉर ऑब्सैनिटी इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स इन 1929. लॉलिता वॉज बैन अगेन फॉर द ऑब्सैनिटी इन फ्रांस फ्रॉम 1956 टू 59. इसको बैन किया गया था. एंड लेट अस टॉक अबाउट सैटेनिक वर्सेस नाउ. सैटेनिक वर्सेस को भी बैन किया गया था बाय सम मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी, स्पेसिफिकली इट was banned in Pakistan. And The Bell Jar. Let us come to The Bell Jar now. The Bell Jar is the only novel written by American writer and poet Sylvia Plath and originally published under the pseudonym Victoria Lucas in 1963. ये novel to some extent autobiographical भी है, with the names of places and people changed. The Bell Jar was suppressed for not only for profanity and sexuality but for its overt rejection of the women's role as wife and mother. तो ये चारों ही नॉवेल्स किसी ना किसी तरीके की कंट्रोवर्सी में तो रही ही हैं, बट एज पर माय बेस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बेल जार इज द आंसर विच वाज नॉट बैंड बाय द गवर्नमेंट एट लीस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इसमें हमें ये बताना है कि लाइंस कहाँ से ली गई हैं. ऑफ मैन्स फर्स्ट डिसोबीडियंस एंड द फ्रूट ऑफ द फॉरबिडन ट्री हुज मॉर्टल टेस्ट ब्रॉट डेथ इनटू द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल आर वू. सो दीज लाइंस आर फ्रॉम correct answer option number B, Paradise Lost. These lines, which begin the first book of Paradise Lost, allude to the man's sin of obedience in the Garden of Eden, where Eve first ate from the tree that God forbade them to eat its fruit. Next question, which poetic form does Vikram Seth use in his novel The Golden Gate? The correct answer is option number D, sonnet. द गोल्डन गेट, जो कि 1986 का एक नॉवल है. दिस इज ऑल्सो द फर्स्ट नॉवल बाय पोएट एंड नॉवेलिस्ट विक्रम सेठ, एंड द वर्क इज अ नॉवल इन वर्स कंपोज्ड ऑफ 590 stanzas in sonnet form, written in iambic tetrameter. Next question, what is the historical setting of Amitav Ghosh's Ibis Trilogy? Ibis Trilogy एक historical work है, historical fiction है by Amitav Ghosh, and the story is set in the first half of 19th century. So option number A becomes the right answer, and it also deals with the trade of opium, afim, between India and China run by the East India Company at that point of time. Next question, which was the first book written by an Indian in English? The correct answer is Raj Mohan's Wife. Raj Mohan's Wife, which was published in 1864 में पब्लिश हुई थी ये बाय बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय, and it is generally regarded as the first Indian novel in English, significant not only because its author was the greatest Bengali novelist of 19th century, but also because of the fact that it deals with a very different non-conventional subject, and the protagonist of the novel is a female itself, as the name states, Raj Mohan's wife. Next question. Salim Sinai. Salim Sinai is the protagonist of which Indian English novel? The correct answer is option number D, Midnight's Children. Salim Sinai is the protagonist of the Booker Prize winning novel Midnight's Children by Salman Rushdie, and the life of Salim is closely intertwined with the events that take place in the homeland of pre- and post-colonial India. At the strike of midnight, Salim was born with some magical powers. Next question. Which of the following novels is a modern retelling of Mahabharata? The correct answer is The Great Indian Novel, option number B. The Great Indian Novel is a satirical novel by Shashi Tharoor, which was first published in 1989. It is a fictional work that takes the story to the era of Mahabharata, the Indian epic, and recasts everything and resets it in the modern Indian context. Next question. Which author is the namesake of the titular character in Jhampa Lahiri's The Namesake? The correct answer is option number C, Nikolai Gogol. The Namesake is the first novel by American author Jhampa Lahiri. The Namesake was originally published in The New Yorker and was later expanded to a full-length novel, and it explores many of the same emotional and cultural themes as Jhampa Lahiri's Pulitzer Prize-winning short story collection Interpreter of Melodies had. And the protagonist of this novel, Ashok, suggests the name of Gogol in honor of the famous Russian author Nikolai Gogol to be his baby's pet name, nickname. Next question. Which of the following plays deal with the dilemma of Indian authors who choose to write in English? The correct answer is option number B, Broken Images. Broken Images is based on Odaku Bimba, a highly popular Kannada play which was written by Girish Karnad, and the same play was translated in Hindi as Bikhre Bimb. And the play opens with Manjula Sharma, जो कि इसकी protagonist हैं, a moderately successful Hindi writer whose first novel in English has been noticed in the Western world, and she has now become a star author. Broken Images deals with the dilemma of Indian authors who choose to write in English. Next question. Who is the author of The Country Without a Post Office? The correct answer is option number C, Agha Shahid Ali. The Country Without a Post Office 1997 का है ये collection of poems written by Indian American Kashmiri poet Agha Shahid Ali. Next question is an interesting one. Who among the following has not won the Booker Prize? तो सारे ऑप्शंस देखते हैं हम. अरुंधति रॉय को मिला था गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स के लिए 1997 में, सलमान रश्दी को मिडनाइट चिल्ड्रन के लिए, और अरविंद अडिका को द वाइट टाइगर के लिए 2008 में. तो झम्पा लाहिरी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी बिकम्स द राइट आंसर हियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who is the first Indian poet to win the Sahitya Academy Award for English Poetry? The correct answer is option number C, Jayanta Mahapatra. Jayanta Mahapatra is a major Indian English poet, and he is the first Indian poet to win Sahitya Academy Award for English Poetry. Next question. Who is the author of the essay Is There an Indian Way of Thinking? And the correct answer is A.K. Ramanujan, option number A. Next question. Which poem the following lines are from? I speak 3 languages. Write in 2. Dream in 1. The correct answer is an introduction. An introduction by Kamla Das describes the poet's own mental and emotional state as she aged and pushed back against the patriarchal society. Next question. Which of the following authors does not employ popular Indian myths in his fiction? The correct answer is option number D, Vikram Chandra. I'm giving you the list of top 5 mythology writers who are making it a big in this field, in this genre. Dr. Devdutt Patnaik, Kavita Kane, Chitra Banerjee, Divakaruni, Amish Tripathi and Ashwini Sanghi. Vikram Chandra is not a part of this list, so he becomes the right answer. The last question of this paper. Which of the following rasas is not included in Bharata's Natya Shastra? The correct answer is Bhakti. And let me tell you about those rasas which are included. They are Bhayanak Rasa, Hasya Rasa, Raudra Rasa, Adbhut Rasa, Bibhitsa Rasa, Shringar Rasa, Veer Rasa and Karuna Rasa. So with this question number 100, we have reached to the end of this video. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. You can contact us to join our online classes. Thanks a lot for watching and best of luck for any kind of exam that you appear for in your life.